Today we're taking a closer look at and installing the Speedform carbon fiber style mirror covers here, available for all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs not equipped with the factory mirror turn signals. Now you should be considering these options for your S550 if you're either looking to maybe cover up some damaged or faded stock mirror caps, or perhaps you're just looking to complement other carbon fiber goodies you may have already added around your ride, all for right around $100 for the pair. Now, when talking features here with these mirror covers from Speedform, I would say two biggies do come to mind. First and foremost, this is going to cover a majority of your factory mirror, which is obviously great if your factory mirrors are beat up, maybe they're scratched or faded, and you're just looking to make them look like new again. On the other hand, if you have perfectly fine factory mirrors, the paint looks great, well, these might be a great option for you to help protect those factory mirrors from dirt, rocks, chips, bug guts, you name it, on the road or maybe even on the track if you're running a more aggressive offset up front. Now, on the other hand, these are just going to contribute to a very cool custom look for owners who maybe are looking to black out the mirror covers on their ride. Say you have a white, silver, orange car, you want to tone down some of that color a little bit. These will certainly help get you there. In addition to just playing very well with other carbon fiber goodies you may have already added around your S550. Adding these will certainly deliver a very consistent look with those other real or maybe fake carbon goodies that you've already installed. Now, moving into construction, and this is where things get a little bit interesting because these are going to consist mainly of that durable, UV-resistant, automotive-grade ABS plastic, but the big story, of course, is that carbon fiber styling thanks to the hydro dipping process that really does deliver a very authentic carbon style appearance, but without the authentic carbon fiber price tag. Now, the mirror covers do feature a UV coating kind of baked into that clear coat to prevent any fading of these things over the years, and they have been pre-installed with the 3M automotive grade adhesive on the back. Now, with that being said, these are a peel and stick cover. They do hug the factory mirrors very well, but being a peel and stick job, that certainly is going to make for a very easy install that we'll show you here in a little bit. Price point for the covers will live right around $100, give or take a bit here, which does put these options from Speedform, I would say kind of in line with most other similar covers on the site for your S550 at home. But when you're comparing these to maybe real deal carbon fiber covers, these are certainly going to come in a lot less at the end of the day. All right, moving into the install here, and again, really couldn't be any easier thanks to the peel and stick design from Speedform here. And again, they do have all of the adhesive ready to go on the back of the covers there. So really all you gotta do is just clean and prep the area first before you adhere the actual covers to your factory mirrors. Now, because this is a very easy day in the garage or driveway, soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here is what you're looking at. Maybe 15 minutes or so of your time to complete from start to finish. Now, to show you just how easy things will be on your S550 at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing mirror covers on our Mustang, so let's get started. Now, these mirror covers stick on with double-sided tape, so I'm taking an alcohol white first to clean down the surface so we get better adhesion. So just give it a good wipe down, and then we'll give it a minute just to dry up before we stick our mirror cap down. So now we're going to peel off the backing of our double-sided tape and just line it up and press it on. And let's get it nice and lined up on that bottom edge, slide it into place and stick it down. And then you can repeat the same process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Speedform mirror covers in carbon fiber style for your 2015 to 23 Mustang without mirror signals. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.